Hi guys, back to another video, and here I have something different, and this time it's a waffle machine, waffle maker.
So much for subscribing. Now we have 50 subscribers, which is amazing. So please click the subscribe button if you haven't already.
It's called the FDD95D Krupp's waffle machine. So that's like gimmicks here, and it's filled with a bunch of nice gimmicks.
A little more rubbish on the box, but I completely did a huge mistake. I recorded this all in slow mo. So here we are. Start with some books, a lot of books, and this special gimmick that we're gonna come back to it afterwards. So now let's start with books. Do we really need to read these books? I don't think so you need to. But there is a highlight of the book, and it's later in the video. So skip all this. So this is the gimmick, and let's just dive right into the waffle machine. It's not environment friendly at all. This is like over the top like packaging. Is this supposed to go to Mars?
These pumps here are really big, so look, you see, I don't know. Then you got push button. You got a weird lock.
This is so unenvironment friendly. In 2022, we are like believing like environment friendly. Apple's quit the plastic wrapping around the Apple products anymore, and this thing is like overkill. Sorry guys, there's no waffles for you. It's weird in the booklet is that there's a whole bunch of list of what not to do. Is it because it's like some serial killer weapon?
Hey. Seriously, a DVD in 2022. Oh my god.
Waffle machine is seriously out of date. That was an out of date gift that they just had extra DVDs and they didn't have anything else to do because nobody has DVD players now. Turning this thing is actually so satisfying, and opening it also. I don't know why. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next.